Here, let's show back up. This is what we did, the basic step. I'm the leader. I start on my left foot.
I'm a follower. I start on my right.
We go like this. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick. And rock, step, kick, step, double kick, step. We show it this way. You can see how we go back and forward a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick, step. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick, step. Then we do that with the partners. I connect it like this. The exact same thing. Just hold on to the partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, hop, hook, hop, hey, hop, hook, hop. We're going to show you the skip up. That's the fancy move we worked on. Instead of doing the basic right here, I'm going to hold hands and I go forward. Single kick, bam! Rock, sit down. Start my basic again. So I'll do one basic, one skip up, and one basic. Watch how it goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, hop. That's my basic. Skip up, twisty, bam! Another basic. Hop, hop. Get some practice with that, and another good practice for how to kind of get the kicks feel the right way is those double kicks. Double kick, switch, double kick, switch, double kick, pop, double kick, step, double kick, 2 feet on the ground at the same time, a no, double kick, switch, double kick, switch, double kick, I'm exhausted.